Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Picsart. If you need to contact Picsart for support or any kind of inquiries, then here are the ways you can reach out to them. First of all, open up your Picsart application on your mobile device, or you can also visit the Picsart website. Either way, once you are in the main home page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now click on the three dots at the top right from your profile page and select Settings in the pop-up. After opening up and accessing the settings, scroll down to find the Help Center option and tap on it. You can browse through the articles that you need help with, or you can go all the way down and click on Submit a Request. If you need further assistance, look for Submit a Request option and tap on it. Now select what you need help with from the drop-down and go ahead and enter your email address, the subject that you need help with, type of your request. From the drop-down, enter your Picsart username, describe your issue, and if you have one, you can also attach any file that is associated with your inquiry. Finally, after filling in the details about your issue, click on the Submit button to send your request. This option should help you get in touch with Picsart for any support or questions you may have. So that's how you can easily contact Picsart support team for any inquiries. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.